of all, ignore that on my shirt. I'm finna do my hair, so it don't matter what get on this shirt. I am back with another freaking hair video. So today I'm going to be talking about and installing the Celie hair. I'm gonna just start off by saying, bro, I don't know what it is. If I don't know, it's just the color or what, but I'm loving this. Okay, I love this packaging. Yeah. It's just so cute and purple. I don't know, it's just came with goodies as always. Not gonna say and go through all this, just know. Yeah. And I love the bag, of course. I love the bag. The wig is 20 inches. I'm not sure what the density is of this wig. The hair feels really, really soft. It has that little natural brown color. I was supposed to get a dye to dye the freaking hair, and I forgot. But that's okay. It's not necessary. And I feel like I want to end up bleaching this hair eventually anyway, so I'm not really worried about dyeing it black right now. This is how the hair looks. Fresh out the pack, out the net. This is it. This is what it's giving. I can run my fingers through it easily. There's no tangling or shedding so far. And yeah, the wig comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the top, 1 at the back. We're not about to use that 1 at the top. Lace in the back, lace in the front. You have about 4 inches of parting space on the wig. It comes pre-plucked. Yeah, it's kind of pre-plucked. And there's baby hairs in the front. They're a little long, but they got some baby hairs in the front. So we're gonna go ahead and bleach this wig, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna install it. Okay, I am back. I have bleached the knots, washed and blow dried this motherfucking wig, and I'm motherfucking tired. Got a little oil on there, so I look a little stiff. But now it's time to lay it on. And I think with this, y'all, I'm gonna end up going back when I do go to bleach. When I do go to dye the hair, I'm gonna go in and color correct all this. But as of right now, I'm gonna fix that shit with makeup when we finish. Not putting on no wig cap. I don't have one on. I'm not putting that shit on because I don't like how it looks.
Okay, so at this point, all I'm doing is messing with my baby hairs, trying to shape them and get them right. I do it a couple of times, honestly. The first time, it be to make sure like I have enough hair in it, and well, there's enough hair to my liking in the baby hair. And it's just like, shaping and stuff. Because I'm going, at the end, y'all gonna see me do this shit again. It's been about, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or maybe like 2.5. I'm not really sure exactly. But I know it's been a little bit over 2 weeks that I've had the hair. I did take this wig off. And I have on a different wig, which is why I'm not recording and I'm just doing a voiceover. I do like the hair. I do like the hair. I ain't gonna lie. I like the hair. However, it just gives me, if we really being honest, it gives me high school. Like, when I was in high school, this hair would have been perfect because it's a high school hair. It's not like no Jada bad bitch hair. Like, it just don't give that. But it is convenient and it is cute. I really do like the lace. I like how natural this shit looks. I like how easy it is to lay this motherfucking lace down. And I like how the frontal is constructed, period. But I wouldn't say this is like birthday hair unless you're on a budget. Now, when I say Jada bad bitch hair, I mean like super sleek, bone straight, beautiful. Yeah, this hair is cute. It's cute, but it just don't give super bad bitch Instagram model. Now, it is convenient, I give you that, and it's affordable. So for 20 inches, this hair is $207. I'm pretty sure I had 150 density. I don't think it was 180. It didn't feel like 180, so I'm going to say it was 150, but it really wasn't specified. You get what you pay for, if we really being honest. Overall quality, I give this hair a 6. It looks so beautiful. Look at my part, y'all. Look at my part. This HD lace is really HD. That's what I'm saying. Like, I ain't even gonna give it a 6. I'm gonna give it like a 7.5. It didn't shed on me. I love the lace. I just feel like the hair could be better quality as far as how it looks once it's straightened and how it keeps the curl and things of that nature. I also have pictures of it now that it is bleached. I'm going to put those in towards the end. As I was saying, though, the hair did come up to be $207. However, right now they're having, like, you know, like the Christmas deals and stuff like that. So you can get $20 off if you use a certain code. The code should be in my bio. I say bio. It should be in my description. Just make sure you keep your eyes open for that. If y'all don't see it in the description, it's going to be on their website. You can get $20 off. That's going to bring your shit down to $187. And that's the perfect price for some hair like this. I could see this hair being like a quick throw-on wig and stuff like that. Like, it's cute. I've done a couple of TikToks in it. I've been to school in it. I was living life in a wig. I give it that. So, yeah. Overall, I'm going to give it a 7.5, 7. Good hair. But it can be better. Really, really love the lace. I really love the lace. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that looks. Like, no shedding, like I said. No shedding, no tangling. I really didn't have too many problems with this wig. So it was I want to say it was low maintenance. Like, it was really low maintenance. That's why I give it a 7, 7.5. The only thing I would just want to be better would be the quality. Like, I want that bad bitch Jada Ari kind of look now. Like, I don't need the whole, you know, okay, this could possibly be natural hair. Like, I don't want that. I want extra, okay? The rest of the video is just me trying to cut these layers, girl, and get this wig right and have it looking cute. So, yeah, I'm going to just stop talking and I'll see y'all at the end of the video. This was initially supposed to be a hair install tutorial. However, I didn't really like my last tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial. So until I get it right, I ain't trying to really do it too much. So yeah, that's why I just put this motherfucker on off camera for the most part. And I just came back to show y'all my edges and stuff. I just wanted to go ahead and mention that because I just was, you know, it looked like I was finna show y'all how to do it. And then I just slapped that motherfucker on. So yeah. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really wanted to go heavier on the layers, but I'm tired and I'm hungry, and I'm gonna do it another time. I'm not really even going nowhere. I just want to do my hair. This is the Celie hair. I really love how well it took the bleach on the knots. So yeah, I actually forgot to record an outro because I was expecting myself to come back and record an entirely new video. However, I'm tired. I got a different wig on right now. And I don't really feel like switching back just to tell y'all, all right, gang, thank y'all for watching. So, thank y'all for watching. If you're going to like. If you're going to comment. If you're going to subscribe, do your thing. Y'all know I really don't care. And I'm going to see you in the next video.
Put that dick up, we not humping. Sky's on, bitch, my block jumping. Jump out the black truck, we start dumping. In the field with 100 pins, like just cut me off, fuck it. Nigga, stop talking, just come suck it. When it smoke, bet the ops gon' duck it. We kick smoke up, they kick bucket. Put a bag on your head, cause it's in my budget. All I gotta do is push a button. I'm on their heads like a goddamn mullet. Spend 10 bands at the sneaker summit. I got the hood on my back like it's raining. He a head monster, I'm not complaining. He don't like my ways, but I'm not changing. I don't take them back, cause that shit draining. Get in the blend like fruits and veggies. Do what I want, cause my niggas let me. I keep lead case a bitch wanna